Guys, please subscribe and help Ama Fans Wetu TV get to 80,000 subscribers. Welcome to Ama Fans Wetu TV. It's the Pathway Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Kaizer Chiefs 1. I'm joined by Thabiso.
Tibo, let us go back to the pre-match interview.
Yes.
You interviewed me and I told you,
Hey.
if they are not solid in the midfield,
Yes.
it's gone.
Yes, you did say.
I did say.
Hey.
Let me go back to the national language. Ngibatshelile ukuthi as long as Oblom is introduced,
Yes.
first half,
Yes.
they're gonna stop us.
Yeah.
We are too smart to Chiefs. We are always smart.
For Chiefs.
For Chiefs, we are always smart. Central midfield. Make sure that you are solid. Matt, I told you about Matt.
You remind me of what you said.
Matt for me,
Yes.
I'm sorry to say this, but he's useless. for a team of Chiefs caliber.
Yes.
Yeah.
He's useless.
He's useless, man.
Most useless.
Remember Tembazwane? Beslok Simkalese, substitute, game changer. But this time,
Ukalike.
again, I told you that Matt,
Ace.
bruh, I don't want to say much.
But Matt is useless.
Okay. Oh, but referee. For na referee. Referee moshi. We moshi the game.
Yes.
Every touch. And now when a soccer, it's a contact sport.
Yeah.
Every time when a feet are playing a Chiefs, it's a foul. It's a contact sport. Every feet are playing a Chiefs. Foul. Yeah. Foul. But when I don't want to say much, I equalize the yeah, because I missed it. I missed it.
Man of the match, we come on.
Ronel Williams.
No many. Manoma meet maybe against the Vesta Chiefs. 60 minutes. What's that? And I invite the Chiefs. Once I get those two type of shoots, I invite the Chiefs. I invite no. Villagers in Donaele.
Thank you.